Did you pay attention to what Jesus did? He looked up to heaven and then he gave this bread to be distributed and the fish. I started by saying that this man who was in prayer, he said, he looks at me and I look at him. It's a very simple prayer, but there is depth in it. Jesus, the Son of God, he looked up to heaven, to his Father. And there is a communication which is very deep. A mother, when she looks or hears her child, she knows what the child is communicating, though it cannot speak. There is a kind of a language which is much more deeper. And that comes with great sensitivity. Look at how the fowl or the cat or the dog, when the little ones are there, how they communicate. And those dogs or those cats, kittens, or the cheeks, they all know and understand the language if you have been carefully looking at them. In the same way, there is a deep communication between God and us. Some of us are sensitive to it, others are not. Sometimes we are babbling a lot of words, and yet He is always listening to us. He is merciful and compassionate. As you saw how Jesus looked at the crowd, He wanted to be by Himself so that He could be with His Father. When He saw what happened to John the Baptist, because John was living the truth and speaking the truth, he was done away with. And He knew that that was also what was awaiting Him. But He spent His time with the people because they all came to Him. And they were like sheep without a shepherd. So He taught them, but it is said He healed their sick. Because He was so internally one with His Father,